Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this Android 10 Q system PX6 RAM 4GB, ROM 16 4GB, special head unit for Toyota RAV4 2019 to 2020 years. Okay, you can check this box, and then let me unbox. This part, and this is head unit. Okay, firstly let me introduce honey set first. Okay, you can check this special harness will come with head unit together. This CAN bus board decoder box connect. Okay, and this special harness. This is the radio antenna. Okay, and this camera. Camera adapter. Okay, this audio and this power. So it's plug and play. Okay, and this AUX input left and right. This K1 and K2 and GND wire for steering wheel controls, but the steering wheel decoder by decoder box. This is reserve input wire. Okay. The head unit will come with GPS antenna. You can check this GPS antenna, and this original USB. This is two USB cable and external microphone. This connect to back of head unit, and camera input. RCA type, and this install parts. Okay, this audio cable connect to back of head unit. This is video out 1 and then video out 2. This audio out front and rear, left and right. And this subwoofer, RCA type. Okay, and this AUX connect back of head unit. This video input, AUX input left and right. Okay, let me show head unit. Okay, let me connect power. Connect back of head unit. Let me show. Now you can check this back of head unit. This power connector, this GPS, this fuse. This audio USB and the other connection on back, and this radio antenna. This is Wi-Fi. This Wi-Fi antenna. Okay. Let me connect the power. You can check head unit will be start. Okay. Okay, this is front of head unit. RAV4 Toyota RAV4 special year 2019 to 2020 years. Okay, you can check it built-in microphone and the reset hole. Please take out this screen protector. Okay, this is the volume button and the back home power button. All apps are here. You can check very fast response. Check the settings. It's PX6. PX6 Android 10 system. Okay, and storage total 64 GB, and built-in Wi-Fi support hotspots from your phone, and it supports 4G, but need 4G USB dongle. Okay. And you can check this speed play app. It's speed play for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It plug and play for Android, both Android phone and iPhone. It's built-in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store and built-in Google Maps. This vehicle information. Tire. Okay, this radio. You can search the radio stations. I built in YouTube voice control, DSP amplifier, okay, and let me check the settings. This display, car settings. You can pause the settings, change the LED settings with button light with red, blue, any color. You can adjust this panel. Okay. And autoplay music. And navigation settings. It's driving settings. Watch video, you can turn on the watch video. Steering wheel control settings. It's decoded by canvas box. Okay. It's car settings. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.